I think we have to look for the silver linings in life. Life is beautiful, exciting, challenging, and of course, life is unpredictable. But one thing is always true: if you lead with compassion, you're always going to be fulfilled. At Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, we understand the importance of rising up with that compassion during these challenging times. We appreciate the importance, now more than ever, of working together in a culture of collaboration so we can all be better. We understand that while we may have not been able to operate as usual, we have been able to continue to innovate and improve, to continue learning to better serve our clients and our colleagues. We have been able to spread love and compassion, to spend time with our families, and to even have fun together while still being apart. We understand that there are so many things that we can do, and those things will continue to show the world that the Pittsburgh story continues to be one of love, resiliency, trust, and simply being a great neighbor.